So Facebook have just updated the Messenger app so you can actually turn on dark mode within the app. This works for iOS and Android, and I'm going to show you how exactly you can do it. So this is actually a hidden feature and kind of an Easter egg, so you have to turn it on before you can actually use the dark mode feature. So to do that, what you need to do is you need to come to any chat on Facebook Messenger and then click the eye. And you need to go into emojis. Now what you need to do is you need to choose the moon emoji. So by standard it's going to be on the thumbs up emoji, but we can scroll down and we can go to the moon emoji, and you want to click that. Once you've clicked that, once you click on it and you put it inside a chat, it's going to start raining moons, and I've already done it, but it's going to say congratulations, you've unlocked dark mode. Once you've unlocked dark mode, you can then go back onto the main Messenger page and then click on your profile icon in the top left, and here you'll have the dark mode setting which you can enable and turn on dark mode. So that's how you can turn on dark mode within Messenger. This is really new, it came out a couple of days ago. If this video did help you out, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials on Messenger and other random social medias. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.